With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let's start the question. Our question says that with the help of a suitable example, describe reflex action. So here, if you are talking about our question that is regarding our reflex action here, so reflex action can be defined as the here we can say that it is the quick or it is a sudden or immediate here this is our quick immediate and automatic response to the stimuli here this is our quick immediate and automatic response to the stimuli without involving the brain here in our here in our reflex action brain do not involve here, it only involve the spinal cord. So basically here if you're talking about our reflex action, so reflex action here we can take an example of our reflex action here, that suppose we are touching here we are touching a pin or we are touching a hot object, here we are touching a pin or we are touching a hot object here. So while we are touching these substances, we suddenly remove our hand here, we will suddenly remove our hand, and this is due to the reflex action in the body here. This is mainly due to the reflex action in the body, because here if you are talking about our hot object, so here it will be here our sensory organ will here sensory organ will be sensed, then they with the help of the afferent neurons here, with the help of afferent neurons, these impulses will goes to the here it will goes to our spinal cord, then spinal cord will analyze the information, and then with the help of our efferent neuron they will carry the information, and then they gives the information or they give the impulses to the effector organ here, they will give impulses to the effector organ, it means our hand here, in this case it will give survey information to the hand here. So basically this is the process of our reflex action here, and in this reflex action it will include a arc which is generally called as the reflex arc here, and in if you are talking about our reflex arc, so it can be defined as the shortest pathway here, our reflex arc can be defined as our shortest pathway of the nerve impulse here. Here this will be our shortest pathway here. So here if you are talking about our types of reflex action, so basically there are only two types of our reflex action here. If you are talking about our types of reflex action, two types of reflex action are there. First is our inborn reflex action, and second one is our acquired reflex action. There are only two types of reflex action. Inborn means which is present from our birth. Basically here our example can be the blinking and watering of the eye. Here it can be our blinking as well as our watering of the eye, it is our inborn reflex action here. And if we are talking about our acquired reflex action, that is we are acquiring in from the environment here. So here our example can be the watering of the mouth here, if we are talking about our example of our acquired reflex action. So here it can include the example of the watering of the mouth or salivation of the mouth whenever we see the tasty food here. So basically this is the example of our acquired reflex action. I hope this answered your question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.